This video features the finest content on our channel. We hope you thoroughly enjoy it. Here are the bad drivers that got instant karma. Driver narrates the intense scene unfolding on the road, racing like a bat out of hell. The white Benz, a symphony of chaos on the roads. Behold this impressive incident captured on video. Driver honks as a car maneuvers recklessly, narrowly avoiding disaster. What's truly alarming is the driver's nonchalant response after that warning honk. The thin line between daring and peril has never been more evident in this high-stakes moment. Driver is navigating through traffic when suddenly a car behind starts honking aggressively. Whoa, seriously? Suddenly a police car appears in the rearview mirror. Looks like they've got company. The reckless driver continues, unaware of the police presence. I can't believe what's happening. Just witnessed this on Germantown Ave, honking at a tour bus and then going into oncoming traffic with a cop right behind. Let's see how this unfolds. And hold on, watch the reaction behind the police car. It's like they predicted the whole thing. Driver captures a scene of traffic jam chaos with their camera. Check this out, folks, total traffic jam. And out of nowhere, here comes Mr. Instant Car from the right side. Now that's some precision policing. Impressive or what? Oh look, a red light. Watch this. Another car speeds through the red light. Wait, what? Convenient cop much? Camera shows the police car pulling over the red light runner. Well, that's instant karma for you. Oh, that's not good. Someone's actually sleeping in the back of the truck. That's very illegal. It's hard to see from here, but some fool just got pulled over, and there's someone taking a nap in the bed of their truck. Oh my gosh, this is going to be interesting. Watch this, folks. A Jeep Grand Cherokee racing like there's no tomorrow. But, as they say, karma works in mysterious ways. Suddenly, police lights flash, and the Jeep is pulled over. Instant karma served for speeding. And here comes our hero of a cop, flips a U-turn and lights him up. Sirens wail as the police car pursues the red light violator. Justice served on Route 18. Never underestimate a vigilant cop. Cruising along, minding my own business, when I notice a Wisconsin State Patrol merging behind me. State Patrol follows me for about a mile. Then, cue the entrance of a Dodge Challenger, oblivious to the impending trouble. Suddenly, the Challenger accelerates, changing lanes next to the patrol officer. He didn't see it coming, but the State Patrol did. Lights and siren. Instant karma served. Just cruising home one night, enjoying the drive at around the speed limit, but someone just couldn't stay behind me. You know, some folks just can't resist the urge to speed. Just passed a highway patrol car on the interstate. No big deal. Footage shows the patrol car pulling back onto the highway. A few moments later, watch this. A driver going over 80 miles per hour in the carpool lane, alone. But the cop wasn't fooled. You can't outrun the watchful eye of the highway patrol. Ever wonder what happens when you succumb to the temptation of using the bus-only lane during rush hour to beat traffic on the DVP? Trust me, it's tempting, but the consequences might not be worth it. The camera reveals a car darting into the bus-only lane to beat traffic, and there it is. Let's see how this unfolds. Driving along, and there's the breakdown lane. Tempting, right? But here comes someone thinking they can outsmart the traffic. Suddenly, the camera captures the car encountering an obstacle or being pulled over in the breakdown lane. Breakdown lane? More like instant karma lane. Just cruising when, wait for it, the idiot van driver decides to cross solid lines into the carpool lane. The van making an illegal move. Little did they know, they were trying to pass an unmarked police car in the fast lane. Sirens blare as the police car pulls over the van. Karma Cop strikes again. Don't mess with the carpool lane, my friends. Heading back to the hotel before the storms hit, but then, I don't know if the guy was drunk or glued to his phone. Immediate matters on the road had my full attention. Suddenly, the other driver makes a dangerous move. Storms can wait. I've got something more pressing to handle. Just cruising with the wife when... Wait a minute. There goes someone in a hurry. Not on our watch. Suddenly, the narrator takes action. Hold on, we've got a red light vigilante mission. Let's make sure they know the importance of stopping on red. This driver was crazy. Footage shows the intense maneuvers, weaving dangerously through traffic. I truly thought he was gonna kill someone. Before I sped it up to clickable speeds, this madness unfolded over 10 agonizing minutes. And there you have it, folks. A reminder to stay safe on the roads, especially during emergencies. If you found this footage as eye-opening as we did, hit that like button and share it with your fellow road warriors. Subscribe for more road tales and safety reminders. Until next time, drive safe, be alert, and let's make the roads a safer place for everyone. Thanks for watching.